Okay, hi student, we go to O5, solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. Alright, so let's write down the formula first. If you have x squared plus bx, okay, I'm going to give the b in a second, plus b over 2 square is equal a perfect square, which is x plus b over 2 and the whole thing square. Alright, now I put in the b so you can see. Alright, so the b is right here, the b is right here, and the b is right here. Okay, so make sure the x squared part, the coefficient has to be hidden number 1. Okay, so now take a look over here. You can see the b in this case is negative 4. Alright, so let's write down b equal negative 4. So I need a b over 2, which is negative 4 over 2 become negative 2. Alright, and then b over 2 square, which is negative 2 square, which is number 4. So now pay attention. So I need to add 4 on the left side and add 4 on the right side. Okay, so now you can see the left side becomes z square, subtract 4z plus 4, and the right side is 47. Okay, so on the left side, that is a perfect square. Okay, and again, the formula is right here. The formula is right here. Okay, that perfect square is x plus b over 2 and the whole thing square. Okay, so now take a look over here. So I write that perfect square. Okay, so z in this case plus b over 2. b over 2, which is negative 2. So I put right there. And then equal 47. Okay, you want to solve for this? You take square root on both sides. So the left side becomes z subtract 2. The right side is plus minus square root 47. Okay, so now I want to solve for the z. I don't want negative 2. I move to the right side, become positive 2. And plus minus square root 47. Okay, so I got two solutions. The first solution is 2 plus square root 47, and the second solution is 2 subtract square root 47. Okay, so I punch in my calculator and I take 2 decimals. So I got my calculator in my hand. Alright, I punch in 2 plus square root of 47. Alright, I come out 8.86. So I go over here, I put in 8.86. Alright, the second answer, I do 2, but this time I subtract square root of 47. Okay, 2 subtract square root 47. Okay, I come out negative 4.86. Alright, 4.86. Okay, submit. Voila. Okay, you guys got that? All right, let's do the next problem. Okay, we move on, but I want to move up to the higher level a little bit. All right, so here's the next level. Okay, so now you can see we cannot identify the b yet because the number in front of the q square should be number 1. And in this case, I have number 3. So I don't want number 3. Okay? So first, I would divide 3 first everywhere. Alright? I divide by 3 everywhere. So now I come down. Q square. 90 divided by 3 become 30. Okay? And then negative 57 divided by 3 is come out negative 29. Okay, so now you guys see that? So now I'm ready to identify the b, which is number 30. All right, this is the b. Okay, so b over 2 should be 30 over 2, which is 15. And then b over 2, and you square, you take 15, you square, it's 225. Okay. So now you see that if I want the perfect square on the left side, I need to add 225 on the left side and also 225 on the right side. Okay, so now the left side, I got a perfect square, which is q plus b over 2. b over 2, number 15 right here. Okay, so plus 15. And then 225 subtract 29, that should be 196. Ooh, 196 is 14 square. So perfect. So now, if I want to solve this, make sure I take square root on both sides. Okay, take square root on both sides, but make sure plus and minus. Okay, so the left side, I come out as Q plus 15. The right side will become plus minus 14. Okay, I'm almost done. So Q should be equal 15. I move the right side, become negative 15. Negative 15 plus minus 14. Okay, so I got two answers. One answer, negative 15 plus 14, which is negative 1. And the second one is negative 15 subtract 14, that's a negative 29. Okay, so I got my two answers. All right, let's put them in. Here we go, negative 1 and then negative 29. Voila. Oh, they said no. They said no. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay. Ooh, let's see. Hold on. Oh my God, I got it wrong. Negative 57 when you divide by 3 is negative 19. I put 29. I put negative 29. So my division is wrong, but the step I try to do is correct. Okay, and you can see I add 125 on both sides. Alright, I learned from my error. I should divide my number better. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so same thing over here. Same thing over here. I can do better this time. Okay, let's pay attention. The number in front of p squared had to be number 1. So I have to divide by negative 2 everywhere. Alright? Okay. So now I got p squared plus 18p and then subtract 7 equals 0. Okay, so now we can see the b is number 18. Alright, so b over 2, 18 divided by 2, which is number 9. Okay, and then b over 2, you square, which is 9 square, which is 81. Okay, so here we go. So I can do this. I want the left side become 81. So first, I don't want negative 7 here. So plus 7 on both sides. So I come out p squared plus 18p and then equal 7. Okay, now I add 81 right here. So make sure I add on both sides. Here we go. So now the right side come out at 88. The left side is a perfect square. Okay, p plus b over 2. b over 2 is right here, which is number 9. b over 2, which is number 9, right here. Okay, so here we go. I take square root on both sides. I got p plus 9 equal plus minus square root of 88. I'm almost done. If I want to solve, I don't want number 9 here. I move to the right side. It becomes negative 9. Okay, so p equal negative 9 plus minus square root of 88. Okay, two answers. One with the plus of square root 88 and one with the subtract square root of 88. Okay, I punch into my calculator, make sure I get 2 decimal. Here we go. Okay, I got it. Negative 9 plus square root of 88. All right, it come out 0. All right, 0.38. Okay, the next one I come out at negative 9 subtract square root of 88. Okay, I got negative 18 and then 38. Here we go. Submit. Voila, I should be correct. All right, well, let's do one last one over here and then we're done. The last level. All right, same thing here. Okay, since we have this number right here is number 1, so I can identify the b. The b equal number 10. All right, so I come out b over 2 is 10 over 2, which is number 5. And then b over 2, I square, number 5 square, which is 25. So now, Okay, so now first, I don't want negative 21 here. I add 21 on both sides. Add 21 on both sides. So I come out q squared plus 10q and then equal 21. Okay, so now I add b over 2 square, which is 25 on both sides. Okay, so now on the right side, it becomes 46. On the left side is a perfect square. Okay, q plus b over 2, which is number 5. So right here. Okay, take square root on both sides. We'll have q plus 5 equal plus minus square root of 46. So now I move the number 5 to the right side. It becomes negative 5 and then plus minus square root of 46. Okay, so I got two answers, one with the plus, negative 5 plus square root of 46, and then negative 5 subtract square root of 46. Okay, so here we go. Let me punch in my calculator. Negative 5 plus square root of 46. Oh, hold on. 46. Okay. I come out 1.78. All right, so I go over here. I put down 1.78. Okay. The next answer is negative 5 subtract square root of 46. I come out negative 11.78. Okay, submit. Voila. All right, thank you so much, you guys.